English every day. New words come our way. In the morning, noon or night, let's make our future bright. Sing and learn, it's so much fun. Together under the sun. ABC to XYZ. English is the key, you see. Reading, writing, speaking too. Lots of things we can do. Practice makes us so strong. Join us now, come along. Sing and learn, it's so much fun. Together under the sun. ABC to XYZ.